The Duke's special coat of arms was placed on Thomas's boiler, and Thomas steamed grandly away. Thomas felt very proud as he raced to the airport. Thomas arrived just in time. Jeremy was waiting for them. The Duke was very pleased. "There's nothing better than an engine you can rely on," he said. "You saved the day, Thomas." Thomas watched the Duke's airplane fly away. Thomas knew he wasn't faster, shinier, or stronger than Spencer, but he was certainly reliable. And that was a very useful thing to be.
It's good to be me, it's good to know you. It's great to be different but together.
There's no need to be in anyone's shoes. I'm happy to be the me I am.
But if I try to compare myself with you and all the things you do, I'll never see all the qualities that make me the me I am.
It's good to be me.
Whatever I do, I'm free to be who I am wherever, with all of my faults, and there'll be a few. I'm happy to be the me I am. But if I try to compare myself with you and all the things you do, I'll never see all the qualities that make me the me I am. Good to be me, whatever I do, I'm free to be who I am wherever, with all of my faults, and there'll be a few. I'm happy to be the me I am.
Yup, that was a custom alternate engine roll call. I edited a whole new music video for this Thomas-ish sounding song that I was recently introduced to. Then I remember I had this whole series and I was like, what if I combine making a custom song and the alternate engine roll call just to make a small music video? 500 likes and I'll do a full version.